How to enable dark mode in Microsoft Office. Work smarter, not harder. If you suffer from eye strain or attention headaches, you may want to consider enabling dark mode in Microsoft Office. Not only is it easier on the eyes, but it also helps reduce any issues with glare. Not sure how to go about it? Don't sweat it. We have got you covered. Whether you tango with Windows or Mac, we shall guide you every step of the way. How to enable dark mode in Office for Windows. One, open my Office app and click the File tab. Second, next click Account on the bottom of the left hand pane. Third, click the box under Office theme to display a menu with several theme options. Black is the true dark mode. If that's too dark, though, you can use dark gray, or if you want to have Office update itself to the current system setting, select use system settings. All of your Office apps will now be in dark mode or the selected theme. How to enable dark mode in the Office for Mac. Office for Mac does not have a built-in theme features. However, you can still get dark mode in Office by simply switching your system theme settings. First, launch your Spotlight search by pressing CMD plus space, type system preferences into the search box and click the result. Click General in the top left corner of the System Preferences windows. Next, select Dark next to Appearances at the top of the windows. Your system theme is now set to dark mode, so the next time you open an Office application, it will adopt this theme. How to add the Developer tab to the Microsoft Office ribbon. Why you had want to add the developer tab. The developer tab gives you quick access to many of the advanced features available in Office applications. These features include Visual Basic, XML commands, macros, document protection features, add-in controls, and more. And the type of features depends on which Office applications you are using. For example, XML commands make sense for Excel, and they are an argument to be made for Word, but there not much reason to have that feature in PowerPoint. There are many different Office applications, but here a quick look at which feature appear in the developers tab in Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Keep in mind that just because an application has a specific group available, some of the feature in that group may differ between applications. Here a complete look at what's available. How to add the developer tab in Office for Windows. You shall need to manually enable the developer tab for each Office application, but the process is identical. First, open the Office application you wish to add the developer tab to. Next, right click anywhere in the ribbon. In the context menu that appears, click customize the ribbon. Second, the application is option windows will appear where you shall automatically be in the customize ribbon tab. Check the box next to developer and then click OK. The developer tab is now added to the ribbon. Repeat these steps for each of the Office application you would like to add the developer tab to. How to add the developer tab in Office for Mac. Similar to Windows, you shall need to manually enable the developer tab for each Office application on Mac. However, the process is identical for each app. First, open the Office application you wish to add the developer tab to. Next, open the Word menu and then select Preferences.